Welcome to Bestsellers Market. You've just found your go-to destination for discovering the hottest, most sought-after products on Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a savvy shopper, or just someone who loves to stay ahead of the trends, this channel is designed with you in mind. Today, we're diving into a category that blends nostalgia with necessity: flatbed and photo scanners. These aren't just tools, they're the bridge between your physical and digital worlds. We're counting down the top-selling scanners that have captured the hearts and hard drives of customers everywhere. From preserving cherished memories to managing important documents, these scanners do it all. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it and explore the best-selling flatbed and photo scanners on Amazon. Get ready to discover the devices that are turning heads and transforming workspaces. At number 5, we have a device that's not just a scanner. It's your gateway to preserving memories with precision and flair. Introducing the Epson Perfection 539-2 Color Photo and Document Flatbed Scanner, where every scan is a masterpiece. Imagine capturing every intricate detail, every vivid hue, with an astounding 4,800 dpi optical resolution. Whether you're archiving cherished family photos, scanning delicate artwork, or digitizing essential documents, the clarity and sharpness are simply breathtaking. But this scanner isn't just about clarity. It's about versatility. From photos to illustrations, from books to oversized documents, this scanner handles it all with effortless grace. Let's talk convenience. With the Epson V39-2, scanning is streamlined. Just a simple press of a button and you're ready to go. Need to restore the faded colors of an old photograph? No problem. ePhoto Fix technology brings those memories back to life with just a click. And if you're scanning a bulky photo album or a thick book, the high-rise removable lid ensures you can do so without missing a beat. But that's not all. The Epson ScanSmart software included with the V39-2 is a powerhouse in its own right. Seamlessly stitch together oversized images and, with a few clicks, send your scans straight to the cloud. Need to convert your scans into editable documents? Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, has you covered, turning your scans into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files ready for editing. Compact and lightweight, this scanner is designed to fit into your life as seamlessly as it fits on your desk. Powered by USB, it's portable and easy to set up, whether at home or on the go. Plus, with a built-in kickstand, it saves space by standing vertically, keeping your workspace neat and clutter-free. In as little as 10 seconds, your letter-sized documents are scanned, saved, and ready to be shared or stored. The Epson Perfection Vi39-2 isn't just another scanner. It's a tool that combines precision, convenience, and innovation to bring your scans to life like never before. Ready to make every scan a work of art? This is the scanner that will make it happen. At number 4, we bring you a scanner that transforms your memories, documents, and creative projects into digital treasures. Meet the Epson Perfection 5600, a scanner that's more than just a tool. It's your passport to extraordinary detail and vivid clarity. With an incredible 6400 x 9600 dpi resolution, the Epson V600 allows you to create enlargements up to a stunning 17 by 22 inches. Think about the possibilities. Every photograph, every film negative, turned into a larger-than-life masterpiece, with nothing lost in translation. Whether it's a beloved family portrait or an intricate piece of artwork, this scanner captures every nuance: dust, scratches, tears, imperfections that mar the beauty of your photos and film. But with digital ice technology, those blemishes are a thing of the past. This advanced technology magically erases the appearance of dust, scratches, and even creases from both film and prints, restoring them to their original glory. And with just one touch, faded colors are revived, thanks to Epson's ePhoto Fix. It's like turning back time for your treasured memories. Versatility is where the V600 truly shines. Built with a transparency unit, it handles slides, negatives, and even medium format panoramic film with ease. But this scanner isn't just about photographs. It's about productivity. Featuring an energy-efficient ReadyScan LED light source, it eliminates warm-up time, making your scans faster while consuming less power. The result? quicker, more efficient workflows that don't sacrifice quality. Need to edit your scanned images? The included ArcSoft Photo Studio software offers powerful tools to enhance your digital images. And if you're looking to convert scanned documents into editable text, the Abby FineReader Sprint OCR software is ready to turn your scans into Word or PDF files with ease. The Epson V600 is designed with you in mind. 4 customizable buttons let you instantly scan, copy, email, or create PDFs at the touch of a button. Whether you're scanning a single page or a stack of documents, this scanner offers fully automatic scanning modes as well as manual control for those who want a more hands-on approach. Imagine a scanner that not only meets your needs but also exceeds your expectations. With the Epson Perfection V600, your scans are more than just digital files. They're a faithful reproduction of your memories and creations, preserved in breathtaking detail. It's not just about capturing an image, it's about capturing the essence of what makes those moments special. This is the scanner that takes your photos and your creativity further than you ever imagined. Coming in at number 3, we have a scanner that redefines what it means to be compact yet powerful. Presenting the Epson Perfection, the 192 Color Photo and Document Flatbed Scanner, where exceptional image clarity meets unmatched convenience. Let's start with what sets this scanner apart: the 4800 dpi optical resolution. This isn't just about scanning, it's about capturing every detail with stunning accuracy. Whether you're digitizing cherished photographs, important documents, or creative artwork, the V192 ensures that every nuance is preserved with remarkable clarity. Imagine taking those old, faded photos and bringing them back to life with just a single click, thanks to the ePhoto Fix technology. It's a touch of magic in every scan. But there's more. The Epson V192 is designed for versatility. From scanning photos and illustrations to digitizing books and documents, this scanner handles it all with ease. The high-rise removable lid is perfect for those bulky items like photo albums or thick books, ensuring you never have to compromise on quality or convenience. One-touch scanning makes your workflow smoother and faster, with easy-to-use buttons that let you complete your tasks in fewer steps. Need to convert your scans into searchable PDFs or editable Microsoft Office documents? The built-in optical character recognition, or OCR, takes care of that, making your scanned documents not just images, but valuable editable files. Portability is key, and the V192 delivers. Weighing in at just 3.1 pounds and powered by USB, it's as easy to set up as it is to take on the go. No bulky power adapters, no unnecessary cords, just plug in and scan. And when it comes to saving space, this scanner has a clever solution, a built-in kickstand for vertical placement. It's a perfect fit for any workspace, no matter how tight. Time is precious, and the Epson V192 understands that. Scan a letter-sized document in as fast as 10 seconds and move on to the next task without missing a beat. Whether you're organizing your office, preserving your memories, or unleashing your creativity, this scanner is your reliable partner, combining top-notch performance with the ultimate in convenience. In the world of flatbed scanners, the Epson Perfection V192 stands tall. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your life while delivering extraordinary results. When precision, portability, and performance matter, this scanner proves it's not just about the size. It's about the perfection it brings to every scan. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling flatbed and photo scanners on Amazon? If so, don't let this moment slip through your fingers. Be sure to scan that like button, capture the subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a pixel of our future content. At number 2, we bring you a scanner that's as fast as it is easy to use, a scanner that turns the tedious into the effortless. Introducing the Plustek Photo Scanner ePhoto Z300, your go-to solution for digitizing memories with speed and simplicity. Imagine this, scanning a 4x6 photo in just 2 seconds. Yes, 2 seconds. Whether it's a stack of 3x5 snapshots or an 8x10 portrait, the ePhoto Z300 handles them all with incredible efficiency. In one afternoon, you can convert up to 1,000 photos into digital files. Memories preserved and ready to share with family and friends. It's like turning your shoebox of old photos into a digital treasure trove in no time at all. What makes this scanner stand out isn't just the speed, but the ease of use. Forget the cumbersome process of lifting a flatbed lid and carefully placing each photo. With the ePhoto Z300, you simply insert each photo, and the scanner takes care of the rest. It's designed to be more efficient, more intuitive, and, quite frankly, more enjoyable than traditional flatbed scanners. But speed and simplicity don't mean sacrificing quality. With an optical resolution of up to 600 dpi, your photos are captured with stunning clarity. And if those photos are showing their age, no worries. This scanner comes equipped with powerful image enhancement functions. With just a click, you can restore faded colors and enhance your images, breathing new life into old memories. Compatibility? Covered. The ePhoto Z300 works seamlessly with both Mac and PC, supporting Windows 7 through 11 and Mac OS X. Plus, downloading the latest software version from the Plustek website is a breeze, ensuring your scanner is always up to date and performing at its best. The Plustek Photo Z300 isn't just a scanner, it's a bridge between your past and your present. It's about making the process of digitizing photos fast, efficient, and accessible to everyone. When it comes to preserving memories, this scanner makes it as simple as pressing a button and as quick as the blink of an eye. If you're looking for a scanner that combines speed, simplicity, and quality, the ePhoto Z300 is your perfect match. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown. The #1 best-selling flatbed and photo scanner on Amazon is none other than the Canon Canoscan Lide 300, a scanner that seamlessly blends simplicity with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a scanner, it's your personal digitization assistant, designed to make your life easier and your workflow smoother. Whether you're scanning documents, photos, or artwork, the Canoscan Lide 300 does it all with effortless precision. With just a USB connection, you're ready to go. No complicated setup, no unnecessary fuss. What makes the Lide 300 truly exceptional is its auto-scan mode. This intelligent feature automatically detects what you're scanning and adjusts settings on the fly, ensuring you get the perfect scan every time. It's like having a scanner that thinks for you, so you can focus on what really matters: your work, your memories, your creativity. Imagine the convenience of digitizing your documents and images with just a few clicks. Need to create a PDF? Done. Want to make a quick copy? Easy. Sending your scans directly via email? It's all right there with the touch of a button. The Canoscan Lide 300 is more than just a scanner. It's an all-in-one solution that streamlines your tasks and enhances your productivity. Compact and sleek, this scanner fits effortlessly into any workspace. Its design is as functional as it is elegant, saving you space while delivering outstanding performance. No more bulky machines taking up room, just a streamlined device that packs a punch. In a world where efficiency meets simplicity, the Canon Canoscan Lide 300 stands out as the ultimate tool for anyone looking to digitize their world. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves to keep things organized, this scanner is your perfect companion. The Canon Canoscan Lide 300 isn't just #1 in our countdown. It's #1 in versatility, convenience, and quality. For those who demand the best, this scanner delivers in every way possible. Ready to elevate your scanning experience? The Canoscan Lide 300 is here to make it happen. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling flatbed and photo scanners on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the scanners we featured today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.